Discover Sergipe, Brazil's hidden natural gem. Welcome to Sergipe, a small state on the coast of Brazil, holding within its borders a world of natural wonders. Often overlooked, it is a place where the vibrant green of the Atlantic forest meets the azure waters of the ocean, teeming with life from the rainforest canopy to the mangrove swamps. Paradise found. Sergipe's stunning beaches. Our journey begins on the sun-kissed shores of Sergipe, where the Atlantic Ocean crashes against pristine beaches. In Aracaju, the state capital, lies Atalaya Beach, a vibrant hub of activity. Venture further to discover secluded havens like Naufragio Beach with its haunting shipwreck remnants. Finally, Praia do Saco, a secluded paradise, invites you to relax and embrace the tranquility of this coastal haven. The giant among trees, Cachero's marvel. In the town of Cachero, we encounter the largest cashew tree in the world. Its sprawling branches cover over 8,000 square meters, a testament to nature's enduring power. Wandering beneath its canopy, we are reminded of the incredible diversity and wonders of the natural world. The lifeblood of Sergipe, a journey down the Sergipe River. We embark on a boat trip along the tranquil waters surrounded by a symphony of sounds. The riverbanks, lush with vegetation, create a haven for myriad creatures. The Sergipe River offers a glimpse into the heart of this vibrant ecosystem. And our journey along Sergipe's waterways leads us to the Rio São Francisco. Known as the River of National Integration, it has shaped lives for centuries. The surrounding landscapes paint a picture of rural Brazil, where life unfolds at a slower pace. We visit historic towns like Igaraçu and Piauí, their colonial-era architecture a testament to the river's influence. The São Francisco continues to captivate with its timeless beauty. We venture into the heart of Sergipe's interior, Serra da Itabaiana National Park. This hidden gem, nestled in the northeastern region of Brazil, is a sanctuary of biodiversity and natural beauty, covering an area of over 7,966 hectares. The park is a testament to the rich ecological tapestry of the region. Amidst rugged peaks and verdant valleys, a world of natural wonders awaits. The park's diverse landscape is a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. From the highest peaks, one can witness breathtaking panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see, offering a sense of tranquility and awe. Hiking along winding trails, we marvel at towering trees and delicate ferns. The trails vary in difficulty, catering to both novice hikers and seasoned trekkers. As we navigate through the dense forest, the air is filled with the earthy scent of foliage and the melodic calls of birds, creating an immersive experience that connects us with nature. The park is a haven for wildlife, from shy jaguarundis to playful capuchin monkeys. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the variety of avian species that call this park home, including the vibrant toucans and elusive owls. Each encounter with the park's fauna is a reminder of the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Hidden waterfalls create a symphony of sound that echoes through the forest. These cascading waters provide a refreshing respite for weary hikers and a picturesque backdrop for photographers. The waterfalls are not just a visual delight, but also play a crucial role in sustaining the park's diverse flora and fauna. Serra da Itabaiana National Park offers a glimpse into the wild heart of Sergipe. Its untouched beauty and serene landscapes make it a perfect destination for those seeking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're here for adventure, relaxation, or simply to reconnect with nature, the park promises an unforgettable experience. Our journey takes us to the unique mangrove forests. These trees thrive in the intertidal zone, where land and sea collide. Navigating the waterways, we observe crabs, herons, and egrets. The mangroves are nurseries for marine life, providing shelter and sustenance. We visit Vila do Conde and Naufragio Beach, where mangroves protect the coast. These guardians play a vital role in maintaining Sergipe's coastline. We venture into the southeastern reaches of Sergipe to the Santana and Santa Maria Hills. This region, known for its stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity, is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. The hills are a perfect destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Embarking on a hike, we follow trails that lead us upwards, the air growing cooler. The trails are well marked and vary in difficulty, catering to both novice hikers and seasoned trekkers. As we walk, the sounds of nature surround us, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the distant murmur of a stream. As we ascend, breathtaking panoramic views of the countryside unfold. The higher we climb, the more expansive the views become, revealing a patchwork of fields, forests, and small villages. Each step brings a new perspective, a new angle from which to appreciate the beauty of this region. Rolling hills, blanketed in green, stretch out before us, dotted with farmsteads. These farmsteads, with their rustic charm, add to the picturesque quality of the landscape. The hills are alive with the vibrant colors of wildflowers, and the scent of fresh grass fills the air. In the distance, the shimmering blue of the Atlantic Ocean is visible. The sight of the ocean, juxtaposed against the rolling hills, creates a stunning contrast. It's a reminder of the diverse natural beauty that Sergipe has to offer, from its inland hills to its coastal waters. The Santana and Santa Maria hills offer a unique perspective on Sergipe's beauty. This hike is not just a physical journey, but a journey through the heart of nature. It's an opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with the natural world. Whether you're here for the adventure, the views, or simply to find some peace and quiet, the Santana and Santa Maria hills have something to offer everyone. Our journey takes us to Aracaju Dantas, a region of natural beauty. Amidst rolling hills and verdant valleys, we discover nature reserves. Following a crystal-clear river, we encounter picturesque waterfalls. The air is alive with birdsong, a chorus that fills the forest. We watch for armadillos, capybaras, and perhaps a shy ocelot. Aracaju Dantas is a testament to the power of conservation. Our exploration takes us to the Caatinga, a unique biome in northeastern Brazil. Beneath its harsh exterior lies a world of remarkable resilience and beauty. We observe the ingenious adaptations of plants and animals that thrive here. The Caatinga challenges our perceptions of beauty and showcases nature's tenacity. Throughout our journey, we've witnessed Sergipe's incredible natural diversity. Preserving this wealth requires a concerted effort. We visit key conservation areas where dedicated individuals protect vital ecosystems. Serra de Itabaiana National Park and João do Souto Environmental Protection Area stand as beacons of hope. These protected areas represent a commitment to safeguarding Sergipe's natural heritage. As our journey draws to a close, we reflect on Sergipe's incredible biodiversity. From towering Brazil nut trees to tenacious cacti, Sergipe's flora is varied. We've encountered jaguarundis, capuchin monkeys, and scarlet macaws. The mangrove forests and the arid Caatinga showcase nature's adaptability. Sergipe serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Our journey through Sergipe may be ending, but the memories will stay with us. This small, yet vibrant state in Brazil has offered us an unforgettable experience, filled with breathtaking views and heartwarming encounters. From the moment we arrived, Sergipe's charm was evident in every corner we explored. We've witnessed the diversity of its landscapes and encountered a wealth of wildlife. Each step we took revealed a new facet of Sergipe's natural beauty, from its lush forests teeming with life to its serene rivers that carve through the land. The flora and fauna here are a testament to the region's rich biodiversity. Sergipe holds a special place in Brazil, a testament to nature's power. Its natural landmarks, such as the stunning canyons and majestic waterfalls, are awe-inspiring. These scenic views not only captivate the eyes but also touch the soul, reminding us of the incredible forces that shape our world. We hope our journey has inspired you to discover Sergipe's hidden gems. The hidden waterfalls, the pristine beaches, and the coastal beauty are just waiting to be explored. Each location tells a story of nature's splendor and the tranquility it offers to those who seek it. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Whether you are an avid traveler or someone who enjoys the beauty of nature from afar, Sergipe has something to offer everyone. The joy of exploring with friends, the thrill of discovering new places, and the peace found in nature's embrace are experiences that stay with us forever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys into the heart of nature. Your support helps us continue to bring you closer to the world's hidden treasures, one adventure at a time. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.